Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing higher on Friday as the Dow Jones flirted with 20,000 all week. Shares in retail and consumer durables and apparel and media all ending on a negative note, while shares in pharmaceuticals, biotech and life sciences, healthcare equipment and services, and semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, they were in the green. On the economic docket, new home sales in November jumping to 592,000 from 563,000 the previous month. Also, the University of Michigan Sentiment Index improving to 98.2 in a final estimate in December. All this while adventures ahead of decliners, 61% of SP 500 constituents trading higher Friday. Now, after the markets closed, Halliburton saying it has reached a $100 million settlement concerning a securities fraud class action lawsuit, adding that Halliburton will fund approximately 54 of the $100 million settlement fund, and its insurer will fund the balance. Meanwhile, overseas, Asian markets in consolidation this morning. The Nikkei up 0.03%, the Hang Seng down 0.28%, China CSI 300 down 0.18%, and South Korea's Kospi up 0.22%. European markets trading flat to higher, and U.S. futures calling for a flat opening. In terms of expectations, there are no major earnings expected today, while on the economic dock at 9 o'clock in the morning, the October SP 500 Core Logic Case Shiller 20 City NSA index is due out 9 o'clock in the morning. 10 o'clock in the morning, we have December consumer confidence expected at 108.5. Turning over to the markets, the S&P 500 sees its key resistance at 2261. As long as 2261 is the resistance, look for choppy price action with a bearish bias. Short positions below 2261 favored, with targets at 2255.50 and 2252 in extension. Moving on, the Nasdaq under pressure, preferring short positions below 49.47, and the Dow Jones capped by a negative trend line, preferring short positions below 19,875.